I'm Anna Disclaim and I'm a lecturer here in Point Blank Music School. I'm also an Ableton certified trainer, a native specialist, a producer and engineer. Today I did a live performance and I'm here to talk you through my setup. So we're using Ableton Live to hold the performance together. I'm using a push to navigate the arrangement and also to do some live looping. I'm also using a Machine Plus, which is actually running standalone. It's using Ableton Link, so it's running through the Wi-Fi. And I've got an Ovation launch control where I'm controlling some effects. I've also got two lovely synths from Modal that I'm using to play some instruments on, and I also sing to the microphone. So usually in my workflow, I like to use a blend of software instruments and also external synths. I quite like the tactile experience that I actually get to press buttons and keys. So it's an important part of my production and of course my performance as well. So this track was originally produced as a full-on drum and bass track, but for the performance I quite like to translate emotions and I feel like I need time for that to unfold. That's why it starts quite down tempo and then it turns into a faster BPM, so we can really feel that impact throughout the arrangement and the performance as well. So for this performance, there are two instances of Massive running from the Machine Plus. The things that are being played live, they are actually coming from the external synths. Here we got the Cobalt T8X and the Argon 8X down here. I used the Cobalt for the bass sound throughout the whole track, because the sound quality is actually amazing. It's pretty easy to use, it's quite straightforward. Underneath I've got the Argon, which is a wavetable synth, and I used it for a pad sound, mainly in the transition between the drum and bass drop and the down-tempo part. It's also really easy to use and feels good as well, every single button and key for both of them. The synths are connecting through USB to the computer, but it's got MIDI in and out, of course. I'm using the Cobalt for 3 different sounds. In the performance, I've set up some clips in the session view, which has program changes written into it. So when I launch the next clip or the next scene, then the preset on the synth will also change, so I'm able to play a different instrument than what I did in the previous scene. What's also great, these synths are available, just the modules, without the actual keys. If you already got a keyboard, then you can just get the lovely top pair and then use your own external MIDI controller with them. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to find out more about our courses or the synths that I've used today for this performance, or you want to watch the full-length performance, then you can find all these details in the description below. See you next time.